Good morning. Heading to Trader Joe's. It's probably a line. Supposed to be meeting my mother there, but she plays too much with time. At least today she do. So it's very, very cold. I'm not gonna be holding my phone. I just wanted to do this intro before I get in there. I'm pretty sure it's a line. I'm gonna show you guys. And as you can see, you guys, also I'm wearing my Fashion Nova pink fur coat. It's 10 degrees outside. Why you mad? And I know I'm gonna make a statement. Wherever I go, I do. That's just it. I'm just saying. All right, y'all. See y'all in a few. Definitely a line. Look at my mother. Say hi, mommy.
They skip me. They better thank God I'm saved, sanctified, the Holy Ghost, still tongue speaking. Because let me tell you something, I was about to turn up on that little old lady. Act like she going to get her air and talk her way and skip the line.
So what if Nana would have skipped?
That's all right.
Why?
Because Nana's straight from heaven.
Look.
The name is...
She mad because the lady skipped her. Her old lady skipped her. You ready?
And make sure you post that. Let's go.
It's cold out here. The line wasn't long, but it always goes fast, even when that line is long.
That's all I know why she couldn't take herself to the back of the line. They trying to frustrate me this morning, y'all.
When you start getting that irritated by older people, you're getting older yourself. Cause mine.
Not that serious?
No, give her a little bit more grace. She old. I know that's not an excuse. She should have manners and say,
things,
excuse me. Yeah, I know. You already do stuff.
And I be like, oh, I'm old.
You gotta give people a little grace. They still should be nice. They still should be nice.
I'm gonna say the same thing. Give me grace, because I'm old.
She's acting out. It could be 5-degree weather. That girl gonna make it to church, right, Mom?
Yep.
It's church service today. It's Ray's birthday. Happy birthday, Ray.
He wants to see that in. You're so extra.
That was nice of her. She bought me.
Greg is gonna demolish it. Don't matter.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, thank you, Cherise.
No, I know he's gonna be nice.
Y'all don't eat these? They are so good. I'm not even a fan of peanut butter, but I like these.
Because it's coated in chocolate.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a
And
chocolate
again.
coating and then the peanut butter. I'm not a fan of peanut butter neither in my M&M's.
There was no line for Whole Foods.
You in a Whole Foods?
No, but you could look across the street. There was no line.
Yeah, why would you go over there and spend?
But they have
No.
stuff at a reasonable price, though.
Yeah, the 365 stuff.
It's other stuff that's
The
reasonable.
store brand is cheaper.
Yes, the store brand is cheaper. We know that. That's anywhere you go. But I'm saying there are stuff that you can find that are reasonable. And I like their noodles. They got different kind of pasta. So, what you call it? What's the two things I said I was gonna get into this year? Bacon and sushi. I want to get into sushi, but I know not every sushi I'ma like. But I want to try it. You tried sushi before, man?
Mm-hmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Which one you had? California roll?
Mm-hmm.
Like all black people. Like, that's the main one that people talk about. You know they have different ones.
Really?
I want to get into sushi. If y'all know a sushi place in New York City, in Manhattan mostly, or even to make it. I want to get into making it also. And I want to get into making healthier meals. I make healthy meals now, but even healthier. Like I want to make my own milk, almond milk. You can make your own almond milk, Ma. What is wrong with her? It's cold, so I gotta get off.
3 hours later.
Let me tell you something about people who start eating good. My daughter's really on a really good journey, so I
Yes,
don't
I
want to
am.
discredit her for that because she really is. But let me tell you something about this one here. I don't know, she doing this whole juicing thing, and she really is trying to change her eating habits. But
No, I'm
now
not
she-
trying. I am.
Oh, okay. Right.
What's
She
trying
okay.
is on
She
your
is, but
way.
that's why
I've
she got
already
like 4 slices of strawberry shortcake and 3 donuts.
But it's not for me. It's for Greg and it's for Royce. I'm not gonna eat another piece. I had enough. But you will.
Well, I won't be there. Yeah, I will.
But you will.
Yeah, I will.
No,
I
that's
will.
it. You gotta know. But that's what I'm saying. You gotta know when to stop. Don't keep going,
No,
going,
you know,
going.
you know when to stop. I know when to stop. You don't tell me when to stop.
You know when to keep going.
So, you know, people are on this journey and they just have so much to say. They ain't even got a year in. And they're already telling you how to eat, how to drink. I'm doing my own thing. I'm doing my own thing.
She's supposed to stay at my house. She don't want to because we eating healthy. That's the whole point. There's mostly water in my house. What else do you need?
Ginger
water.
ale. Ginger ale.
No, ginger ale is not healthy. It's just ginger ale. It's soda. Kevin Hart already said that. It's just soda. It's
Kevin Hart did say that.
He said the first thing black people do when they don't feel good. Go get you some ginger ale.
Ginger ale for everything. Ginger
But
ale
who
for
said
everything.
ginger ale make you feel better?
The old people, and I don't know who told the old people. Who told our grandparents?
Ginger ale make you feel better.
Grandparents.
The ginger
that
ale is the answer.
What you're right was the go-to.
Today is, I'm at church because y'all know the last time y'all saw me, we was at Trader Joe's, but I came to church.
For the king.
No, I didn't. The word was good. It was Deacon Ray's birthday. It was Bishop's birthday.
You don't have the full effect.
It's very blingy. But it was Deacon Ray's birthday. It was Elvis' birthday. Bishop Johnny's birthday. And Peter. I can't wait to see what they do on my birthday. She's not a member.
Not a member.
She's not.
Let me go get my cake. Let me come walk with me, Shawty, so they can see how nice and big it is.
Okay, let's see.
Johnny, come here, aluminio. Aluminio. Yeah, because she wanted for later.
That's a big.
You better take that. I took a lot.
Yeah, you should. Hello, why not?
Because she...
I'm done. I'm gonna leave that go to waste.
No, you're not.
I took even a piece of my daughter.
She want to take it. Now she acting like she don't want to take it. She want to take
It's a couple of Lifetime movies that I want to check out.
But you could have stayed at my house. We could have watched together.
No, I'm not. No.
I want to bother you today. You don't need that. We'll talk now in a few minutes. It's okay.
Yeah, say it's my fault. Say it's my
It's your
fault.
fault because you're standing here watching me with this stupid phone.
Ma, don't say stupid.
Why? No, that's how I talk about TV. Yeah, because she following me. She following me. Now she watch everything I eat. But
Y'all already know. I'm not pro.
I'm mad skinny. You mad skinny.
Oh my God. But other than that, we're laughing and all, but the word was good. Yeah, it is late. I came home and I just was relaxing after church and yeah, I feel really tired. I feel really tired, y'all. I have had this in my hair for a long. I've had my hair braided like this since, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, since September. since September. It's gonna stay in here. Probably, honestly, honestly, I'll probably keep it in here through the whole summer. I just kind of keep rebraiding it. So yeah, that would basically be, if I take it out in September, like for my birthday, that would be like a whole entire year of having box braids. The only thing I might do in the summertime, I might make it shorter, where I could just put it up in a ponytail, because this length in the summertime, now if I was going on vacation, that's different. If y'all watched a few videos back, I had actually did a short video of letting you guys know what I will be using for my new facial routine and so on and so on. I just feel like as you get older, your body changes, your skin changes, it requires different things. So there's actually 2 products that I have been using. CeraVe, right? This is the foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin, and the moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin, right? I use these 2. I use this at nighttime. You can use it in a day, but I use this at nighttime. During the day, I've been using Bubble. It's pretty new. I believe it is pretty popular right now, but that's not why I got it. The ingredients aren't as intense as a lot of these beauty products are. I do have sensitive skin. I have to be careful and mindful of what I put in my body. So this is the gel cleanser. This is the moisturizer. And then you have, what's this one? The Tone and Texture Serum with vitamin C. So this I use with the Bubble, and I also use it with the CeraVe. After I wash my face in the morning, I put this on, and then I put a moisturizer. When I wash my face at night with the CeraVe, I put this on, and then I put on my moisturizer. You can use this once a day, you can use it twice a day, no more than that. Sometimes I don't use it at night. If I didn't use it in the morning, if I actually skipped this in the morning and just went straight to moisturizer, then I'll put it on at nighttime. But I do use it every day. It is a part of my routine, so that's what I'm about to do. I just want to let you guys know. I'm not going to do a whole routine show right now. I'm going to get ready to get in the shower. Then when I get out, I'm going to go make me and husband some coffee. And yeah, we're going to just chill and relax. It is very, very late. I think it's like, what time is it? Oh, it's 10:51. So it's pretty late. But we don't have nothing to do. So we're just going to be up sipping our coffee. Probably watch TV till we knock out. And that'll be it. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. What do you use for skincare? And yeah, I love you guys. I will see y'all in the next vlog.